guys, welcome to Jason's Trucking Info. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set the engine idle adjust. And this is that if you don't have like Opti idle or something else, depending on how your company has your truck set up in the Freightliner, here is another thing you can do. This is one way that you can maybe bypass the automatic shutdown that a lot of companies have on their trucks, where if their truck sets too long after you've stopped and your truck is idling, this is one way to bypass that automatic shutdown, depending on whether or not your company has set it to whether or not that is even possible. So the other reason is in order for you to, like a lot of mechanics, if you're sitting idle, they want you to bump the idle up to keep from clogging up the emissions and exhaust in your truck. So that's the other reason. Those are the only two reasons I know of to do this, but if you can think of more, put something in the comments so other people can read those, and myself, because I would like to know if there's other reasons why you'd want to do this. But I'm going to show you the two different ways you can access this. Once you're stopped and you've parked and you're sitting, your truck is still running, here's where you start. This is where your truck's probably going to be looking like. The dash is going to look like this right here. Okay, you want to hit the over button to access that truck icon right there. See the steering wheel and then the truck icon. You access this, do this. This is your directional, and then you hit OK to access the menu, and then hit down or up to access whichever one you're doing. In the last video I showed you the optimized idle. This video I'm going to show you the engine idle adjust. You hit OK, and it'll bring, then you'll see this screen. Then all you got to do is hit this a few times, and if you watch this needle, it's going up. And you hit it until it stops going up, and there you go, it's set. And then if you see right there, deactivate, all you gotta hit is that side arrow to the right. That's the first way you can do this. Okay? Here's the other way. Right here you see this thing looks like two menu deals or two pages. Tap that. See how that came up? Then all you got to do is hit this a few times. This second way is the shortcut. That's the other way you could do that. Okay? So that is how that works, and that's how you can use your engine idle adjust, and the reasons I can think of is why you'd want to do that. Now, when you use your engine brake and when you use when you're driving down the road anymore, your truck should automatically kind of clear itself out when you're driving. And a lot of trucks are set up to kind of regen going down the road. A lot of drivers these days don't have to worry about regenning their truck. I don't even remember how to do it. I haven't done it in so long. Using the engine idle adjust, regenning, using your engine brake, or just driving down the road can help to clear out the soot in there. And a lot of mechanics would like you to use the engine idle adjust when you're stopped and idling. You're not going to be able to do that if you use the optimized idle though, because then you're gonna screw with the engine's gonna turn itself on and off, and unless you're gonna get up there and adjust it each time, which I don't even know if you can, but you're gonna be getting up all the time as the truck turns itself on and off. So there you go, guys. That's engine idle adjust and the reasons why you might want to use it. If you know anything more about this, some of the other drivers might know more than I do. please, if you do, get in the comments and tell us other details if you know other things about this that I did not cover. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.